to us from Hyderabad. Hi Kiran, how can we help you today?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Happy Dashara for all the people in the panel, ma'am.
Happy Dashera to you as well.
Yes, ma'am. So my query is regarding Macrotech developers and VA Tech Wabag, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I would like to invest rupees 3 lakhs, ma'am, in both the counters. So I'd like to get a view for short term and long term as well, for 3 months and more than 1 year perspective. So what are the right levels to enter into these stocks? And what sort of targets could I expect in short term and long term as well, ma'am?
Kiran, just a follow-up. What was the timeline in which you invested in both of these counters?
So I would like to know both 3 months time frame and more than 1 year time frame, ma'am.
Okay. So with that, let me go across to Rajesh first. Rajesh, your view with VA Tech Wabag as well as Macrotech, short-term views for both?
So if I analyze the Macrotech developer, Lodha is in downtrend, and on the weekly chart, if you look at the structure, stock is moving in a down sloping channel. Though stock is now approaching towards its multiple support area, which is placed at around 1060, zone. So this may act as a support for this corrective move. So I think he should monitor the price action. 1060 is the zone. If stock able to absorb all the supply pressure around those level, and if it's not break below 1060 level, so some pullback action we could see from those level. On the higher side, 1200, 1220 is the key hurdle for the stock. If at all stock crosses those levels, then on the higher side, 1300 would be the target for the counter. So at this juncture, 1200 to 1050 is the range. If you want to buy, wait for further dip towards 1080, 1050 zone, where you can deploy some long trade with the small stop losses. Wabag is again in corrective mode, but again on the long-term structure, stock is holding the strength. In this near-term correction, 1350, 1360 is the immediate support area. So that level needs to watch closely. If it's able to hold these levels, some pullback action we could see from those level. On the higher side, the major supply zone is placed at around 1540. 1540. So that level needs to keep in mind. If it's able to cross those levels, then I think 1650, 1700 would be the next target.
Okay, I would request our viewers to refrain from posting multiple stocks. We won't really have the time to take more of the questions, and you might just lose out as a result of that.